In this video, we will show you how to import existing embroidery designs, that is, how to use the Convert to Curves option, as well as some available ways to edit and reuse those existing designs. Old embroidery files or embroidery files purchased by online databases can be a nice source of artwork for your designs. Importing any design is easy. Just use the From File icon and select the design you like. We call embroidery files all files that are meant to be sent to an embroidery machine for production. The software can import all sorts of embroidery formats, for example JEF, PES, etc. Now we will select to browse through JEF files. And for this example, we will import this JEF file here. Now you can add text or create extra parts as with any other design using all the available tools. For example, we can add a text object, design a line to act as path for the text, and then using Apply Path, the text will follow that line. So when importing an embroidery file, you can easily add new parts and create a new version of that design. Have in mind, though, that the imported embroidery does not consist of normal objects. If you select any design part, you will see under the object properties that they are raw type. This is not a specific type of file, therefore it cannot be manipulated as is. Any normal object that you create has its own properties, and its shape can be edited using the node editor. The imported embroidery objects, on the other hand, do not have stitch properties and therefore cannot be edited using the node editor. Still, you can edit the stitches if you like, and perform specific editing tasks. To fully edit the imported design, you need to convert it into a vector design. This is what brings us to the Convert to Curves option. The same option is also available under the right-click menu. Now you can start editing the converted part as you would with any normal design. You can change the stitch type or change the shape of the object in the node editor. Have in mind that the Convert to Curves option converts the coordinates of the stitches into a shape, so the artwork may need some fine-tuning afterwards. For example, this one has some redundant nodes. If you remove them, you can improve the imported artwork. Now you can easily select any stitch type you like. At any point, you can further adjust the shape as you wish. For instance, you may divide the shape. In general, as soon as it is turned into a curve object, you can completely change its fill with only a few clicks.